Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to get to display all keys from all tables in MySQL database in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in PhpMyAdmin and then you see SQL, so click on it. So we are going to fetch or display all keys from all tables from MySQL database. Now paste query and you will find this query in video description or in comment section, and then you can add your database name. So we are going to add our database name Ali and then click on go, and then you see result table name, and then you see constraint name, constraint type, you see primary key, foreign key. You will get all key types from all table in database in PhpMyAdmin. So this query we executed on main PhpMyAdmin. Now go to database, again go to SQL. Now add query. Now you see we don't add where condition in this query, and then click on go. Again you see table name, constraint type, primary key, foreign key from this database. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.